Hey guys, welcome back to Lifern. Today I'm going over how to make a simple and sweet summer drink. This is your iced matcha latte with oat milk. You can also use almond milk, soy milk, but I prefer Oatly's oat milk and preferably this brand because they are the best. I've tried the other ones. You can maybe get away with using a 365 version of the Oatly oat milk, but this is again the best one. So here we have shaken Oatly's oat milk. This is a full fat version. I'm going to pre-measure it in my cup so that I don't have any excess because I don't want to waste it, right? And we then pour it into the blender. Next up, we're going to go ahead and pour some matcha in there. I have here the Sencha Naturals Organic Matcha. This is 100% Japanese green tea powder, and this is also very potent, but it doesn't give you the jitters or anything. I find that Starbucks matcha lattes kind of give me the jitters in comparison to the Peet's matcha latte, so I've tried my own, and I find that this is also one of the better matchas out there. You can find this at Whole Foods, Costco, in this large bag right here, and also on Amazon. So here we're doing 3 teaspoons of the matcha powder. It gets a little messy, so bear with me because I also have a very small counter space to work with. Then we put this off to the side. And now we start to blend. Right, and as I'm trying to wipe everything down as I go, I like to clean as I go, you know. Anyway, let's go back to the blending portion. On the Vitamix, and usually a lot of the blenders, they do have a high and a variable option. And as you see here, mine is set on variable, so that when I turn it on, I can control the speed at which my blades and my blender are going. I like to start slow, low and slow, right? And then make my way up to about 5 or 6. Shake it up a little bit so that the matcha clumps aren't there, and then go all the way up with a quick pulse to about 5 or 6. That creates the foam, and in about 15-20 seconds you're pretty much done. You see the foam right there, and now we pour into the cup that we measured earlier. So into the cup we're going to go in and add 4 ice cubes. Again, it depends on how much ice you want, how much cinnamon, and how much honey you want. Fill it up to the brim. And we're now going to top this off with some cinnamon powder. And I do this all the time with my matcha lattes, especially when I grab some from Peet's. So you guys might want to try this. Cinnamon on top, and then I drizzle some honey on there. So a lot of times when you go out to grab matcha lattes, especially like the iced ones, they have their own sweetness. So I tell them to hold back on the sweetness so that I can do this to it and it's not overly sweet. But I do love my honey, so I'm going to add extra honey here. And I like it to settle at the bottom too. So that's why, if you see, I don't really mix my honey up too much because I like to have an extra dose of it at the end. I know that might be gross for some of you guys, but hey, it's what I like. And now you can enjoy a matcha latte. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.